So essentially, what I learned on this personal development journey were the things that lit me up, the things that I would pay to do were public speaking. I'm one of those freak shows that actually like standing in front of a group of strangers and sharing my thoughts. And I loved building workshops. And the bits of marketing that I was best at was when we had offsites and we brought in team members from around the world. And I had a real knack of being able to create really inclusive, inspiring, energizing spaces. And so taking that learning and picking myself up off the floor after I'd drunk 2 bottles of rosé with my mum and sobbed into her bosom like, oh my God, what's this happened to me? I realized that that was where I wanted to sort of rebuild. So I pivoted to an L&D role at Deliveroo, which I might still be in if another professional punch hadn't come around and slapped me around the face, which was redundancy. So I was put at risk of redundancy just at the beginning of COVID. And I kind of took it as a sign that it was my opportunity to take a little buffer of a redundancy payout and see if I could get the business to pay my salary and pay the mortgage. So started off small, charging relatively small amounts to do workshops. And someone would say to me, do you do a resilience workshop? And I go, yes, builds resilience workshop, and really built the parachute as I was flying face first into the ground. But slowly but surely, I started to get some traction. I got Gusto as a client. And as soon as you start to get like a big brand on your books, people start to take you more seriously. And now I get to boast that I work with Google and McDonald's, and Delivery's now a client. And it's all about turbocharging ROI, return on individual, for high performance. So we cover things like strengths and confidence and line management, and then creating an attitude of fortitude, which is all the mindset stuff. And you asked about what Badassery is. So
Yep.
Badassery are the attributes, behaviors, and characteristics that each one of us has that make us formidably impressive. Because even if your listener today woke up feeling like, today's not really a good day, I kind of got out on the wrong side of the bed, I'm here to remind you that you are a literal badass miracle. That if you think about the chances of you being on this earth, there's a 1/15 quadrillion chance, that's 15 zeros, that sperm met that egg and Gesundheit, you came into the world. And I believe that everybody has a unique set of gifts to give the world. We just sometimes need somebody to help us realize what those things are and how to lean into them.
I could listen to you all day long. This is great. Oh, wow.
So you
Amazing.
work